and welcome back to my channel. As I mentioned previously in some of my videos that I do teach, I just taught third grade math. So today I wanted to do a quick video about Common Core math for second grade because I taught second grade for 4 years. And I know that the Common Core math seems to be a little bit difficult for parents to understand because this is not how you learn how to do math, and everything just seems like just way out there. So I wanted to do a video specifically today about how to add using place value, which is what your child will be expected to do if they are a rising second grader. So I want to go ahead and jump quickly into this video and show you how to do this strategy of adding using place value. And when I say place value, that means specifically that a number in its standard form, for example, 26 here is already in its standard form. That means just the number. They want that number to be expanded or stretched out, which is why I teach the kids to either expand it or stretch it out, which means to expand. That number by its place value. So this 26, the 2 in the 26 is 20, not a 2, it is 20, which means there are 2 10s in this place value. Okay? The 6, thank you, Hart, yeah, you know. The 6 means that there are 6 1s. So let's go ahead and take this 26 and expand it by taking it into 20 plus 6. So that's 2 10s, which makes 20, plus 6 1s, which is 26. We're going to do the same thing with the number 14. So we have a 1 in the tens place, which means there's only 1 10 there. So that number is 10. And we have a 4 in the ones place, which means that there are 4 1s there. So that number is 4. Okay? So here we have 20 plus 6, and we're going to add 10 plus 4 to that. 6 plus 4 is 10. And then we're going to add 20 plus 10, which makes 30. So here we have expanded those two numbers, 20 plus 6 and 10 plus 4. And now we have added each place value together to get this equation of 30 plus 10. So 30 plus 10 equals 40. So essentially, we have answered the question of 26 plus 14, which equals 40. Now, the reason behind why this needs to be expanded this way, which parents are like, why can't they just add? Why can't they just, do what I learned how to do? Do 6 plus 4, make 10, carry the 1, all of that. Guess what, parents? They don't even teach that to kids until like 4th grade, really, to carry the 1 and borrow and all those kind of things. Like, you don't actually show them that, really, until, that's subtracting, sorry. You don't actually show them that until like 4th grade almost, okay? I did show it to my 3rd graders this past school year, especially to those who were ready to move on towards that, but we want to get that base understanding of what this number actually means. So therefore, we have to make sure that they understand that 26 is not 2 and 6. It's 20 plus 6, okay? So that is the whole reason behind having them do all this extra drag it out step so that they can understand that these numbers actually have a meaning and it's not just a 2 and a 6. Because if you ask some 1st graders, 2nd graders, 3rd graders, even up to 4th grade, what those numbers mean, they'll just tell you 2 and 6 is 26, and that's not true. It's 20 and 6, okay? So this is essentially how you answer this question. I'm going to do another one with regrouping. Now this is very, very easy to do for students when you have a problem that's not regrouping, but when it comes to any problems where you would have to regroup, that is where the problem comes in, is where you have to regroup. And when I say regrouping, that means borrowing or carrying over, okay? So here we have 38 plus 27. We're going to do the exact same thing. Expand that number from its standard form to the expanded form. 38 expands to 30 plus 8. 27 is expanded to 20 plus 7. Now we're going to add these numbers. 8 plus 7 is 15. 30 plus 20 is 50. Now, as a second grader, if I don't understand that, if I don't know that 50 plus 15 is 65, I am going to take this a step further and expand this number, making what we call here a number bond. And I hope you guys can see that. Let me move my light a little bit. There we go. Making this number into a number bond of 10 plus 5. So now I have to add that together. 50 plus 10, I know that makes 60, and 60 plus 5 equals 65. So here again, I have answered this question of 38 plus 27 and made 65. Okay? So that's the basics behind the second grade math your kids are coming home with that may be a little bit confusing to you. And I hope this video was very, very helpful for you. If it was, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Share this with your friends. Share it with other moms and dads who have rising second, third, and fourth graders. Even rising first graders, because they do teach this a little bit in first grade, especially to those friends who are ready to move on towards using this strategy of place value to add. And that's actually one of the standards. That's a standard for almost all grade levels in math. The elementary grade levels, that is, to be able to add and subtract using place value. So again, if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions about second grade math, third grade math, any elementary math, just leave that below in the comments and I will definitely reach back out to you to answer those questions to the best of my ability. I'm going to do another video very soon about subtracting using this strategy of subtracting using place value. The addition part seems to be kind of easier for kids, but subtracting, oh, boy, is that a doozy for a lot of kids, having to subtract and regroup and do all of this expansion. Okay, but that is where we are. That's Common Core, and that is what they want our kids to know. So again, leave me some comments below, share this video, and I hope you found this helpful. Until next time, see you guys later. Bye.